What's up guys, Chrisspy here. What's up? I missed you guys. I wanted to come on here and do a video and tell you guys where I've been at, what's been going on, and to let you know I am changing everything in my life. Everything. La narizona. Okay, so I've received lots of your messages. Thank you guys for reaching out, being like, Chrisspy, where are you? What's been going on? Basically, I just had to take a step back and do some major work on myself. And it was scary, and it is scary, but it's a good thing because when you're uncomfortable, you're growing. So yeah, I really struggled, to be honest, this past year. One of the main things that I struggled with this past year is my eating disorder. And I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, like I felt really unhappy with myself. I felt unhappy with my appearance. And most of all, I felt a lot of shame and guilt. And I didn't want to be on camera. I didn't want to come on camera and fake it. And it wasn't just about like, oh, my face is bigger. It was about the fact that I couldn't hide my struggle. Like it was written all over me. I got so lost and in my head that all of a sudden I was reflecting my value based on my weight, which is something that which is totally against everything that I believe in. So I'm getting help for my eating disorder, and probably people typically think that when you suffer from an eating disorder that you lose weight, but that's not the case. Unfortunately, they come in all different shapes and sizes. So I've had to learn a lot about myself and come to terms with a lot of realities about myself. And yeah, I had to get out of my environment and definitely be off social media for a little while. I've been at that place when I just, you know, I reached that place this year, or this past year, when I felt like I didn't matter anymore. And I didn't have the will to try anymore. And I'm so thankful to be where I'm at today. And if you're feeling that way, just know that things do get better and do not give up. This video was important to me to not only open up to you guys and let you know my truth and where I'm at, and it's also a big weight off my chest because now I feel like I had to be authentic with you guys. I couldn't come on here and lie. I just can't. I cannot fake the funk. I started this process months and months and months ago of working on myself, and honestly, there was a lot of failures and setbacks, and only in the past couple months I felt like I finally kind of started to get on the right track and kind of like figure things out. I'm working with a mentor. I have a very strict morning routine and meditation, and now I've really reached out to people and gotten help, so I'm being held accountable. I'm checking in with people and I'm getting help, and I think that's huge for me because unfortunately when you have an eating disorder, the way mine is anyways, is very isolating, and the more you isolate, the worse you feel, and the less I wanted to reach out to people around me or get help. So it's taken a lot of work to break out, but I can tell you that it's so much better and I'm in a much better place. I'm not at the end of the rainbow, but I'm getting there. You know, I got really nervous and kind of started to second guess if I should just kind of skim over the details, you know, because I was like, oh my God, that's so personal. But then I thought about it and I was like, you know what? No, you have to do it. You have to be open and honest because this is my truth, and if it helps one person, then it's absolutely worth it. And that's what it's about for me now. My life is no longer just about me, it's about other people, and I've chosen to live that way, and I have to do it through action. But now that I feel like I've told you guys what's going on, we can begin to move forward, and I want to bring you along my journey. Everything that I'm learning, I want to share with you guys. Yeah, everybody's been like, what the f is going on with you? And I'm like, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you for always sticking by me. Everybody who's been reaching out, I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, I'm excited to be back, this little 2.0 version of my channel and me. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys for allowing me to share. I love you guys. You mean so much to me. I look forward to continuing this conversation with you guys. Bye.